The song name Apology by TatiK. So TatiK, yeah?
TatiK them. That is it, man.
Yeah.
Them can never fucking disappoint me again. Never. Man.
Where was it?
Yeah, man, SR Boss, I represent for Jamaican Chat, Baddest Channel. I'm here alone in all the dark room.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up everybody and welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, before jumping at my people, me I beg you to just like, share, subscribe on the video here. And you don't know, I go bless up Father God. Thanks to God, so we have life. So we can do that video here, so we can listen to that video here. Alright, my people, when you don't see Wagwan, that one here hot phone, my people. You don't see Wagwan Valiant whole morning. I be alive, the man I do. You understand? I first never see him do so much live, especially in a one day. You understand? But this time the G went live and big up TatiK. You understand? So people I always see people are putting in the comment section and I say, them I wonder if TatiK and Valiant are brother. Or truth to be told, I don't know people, but him always a vibe with TatiK, and TatiK a good artist. You understand? Him just a wait for the break there. So that is why we all do that video here right now. So I help put the G thing out there for everybody know what go on. So people who are gonna just go and vibe, go and listen to some TatiK, and the G them rolling their man in. Alright, stay tuned. So come back.
Don't pick up, say them want me pick up their grades like flat screen. That them a pray. Yeah, it seems so God friends, so them come around and I act free. Cut the long story short, love and trust and agree with me all. Get too humble, never say yourself. Take advantage, them sit down and a laugh. Yo, Mac, them can't use me no more. Can I cast out, but choose another. Too much fuck for me make slide. See my team up, all of them gone go take side. True, everything stop now. Everything stop now. The amount of things them do me, I'm a go like say no matter me. Make too much focus like me feel more myself and apologize. I'm sorry. But now me nobody disappoint me again. I'm sorry. Me a take you as a time in messing on myself. I move like my younger them sisters. I can cut them out of the picture now. Me give them too much chance. Everything is about for them needs. I never want me one. Done with them, me heart. I say something different, but I do that. I listen when me talk. The amount of things them do me, I'ma go on like say no matter me. Make too much fuck this style, me feel more myself and apologize. I'm sorry. Don't make nobody disappoint me again. I'm sorry. Take you as a time investing on myself. Them want me give up myself for that like me not got dreams. I them do cause be a
Me a fight back and a vaccine. Don't pick up, say them want me pick up their grains like flat screen. And that them a bring. Yeah, the same soca. Plug out the son of father, man. Sorry about that, my father. That is it. Apology, people. We go check it out. People. The amount of things them do, we never go like saying about me. Make too much. Focus like me feel more myself and apologize. I'm sorry. Me nah make nobody disappoint me again. I'm sorry. I take you with your time on myself. That is it, you know, people. Check it out, no man. Apology. One TatiK. One federation. One diplomat. You see, brave people, we outside though. Look out the sun, man. Powerful, don't know. What I say?
Stay tuned, man.
Stay tuned, man. New song I drop shortly in a new video, strongest soldier list. Yeah. I hit a come bust me. Watch out for it. Video I drop shortly. You see, pray? No. Outside, man.
Plug out the sun.
That is it, man.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think about that. Alright? TatiK song, Apology, in my blasted. Big tune, my people. Wanna check it out? Go over TatiK Vivo and like, share, subscribe, help get him thing out there. You understand? Definitely one by 2023. And TatiK is a household name, just like how Valiant is. Alright, my people. So this isn't the only live that Valiant did from morning, people. Remember me tell you, say the man I go hard. You understand? And guess what? Valiant have a new track. You understand? A new track when him drop this morning pan him live. So just stay tuned, drop that one here. We'll soon come back, my people.
Can I sing for you? To all my ladies, One more rascal. Listen. I'm here beside you when you wake up. Natural beauty, no makeup. Breakfast in bed before you get up. How you stay so? Carry up on the road if you get your nails done. Tell me how the hair go. What cause I will fight and still not let go. You mad girl. We swear for my life and you are my wife though. Tell it to the world. And you are my girl. Tell it to the world. And you are my girl. Tropic with you for months. I know about your favorite. Been years with you now. She called me a lover boy. I'm a lover boy.
Right, my people. Right, this is where I left it. Right, this is where I drop off for the rest of the morning, my people. And you don't know anything more exclusive come out, we're gonna send it out for the people. And man, people, stay tuned because this weekend is gonna be filled with performances, especially from Valiant, because he have a show tonight in a Ochi and he have a show tomorrow in a Kingston. And let's not forget, people, at the end of this month, Valiant will be in Canada and Jamaica N Chat will be bringing all of those shows to you on our channel. So please like, share, subscribe, big up on yourself. Jamaica N Chat, I'm out.
Plug out this one.